What's good? Welcome to another video. If we haven't met yet, my name is Ted and I talk bass. Check it. If you are not subscribed to this channel, do your boy a favor. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share it if you feel like it's share worthy. Check this out. I've been seeing this TikTok challenge online and it goes a little something like this.
God, I can't please y'all. It's never enough.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 8. 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I have seen some people do this in really, really creative ways. There's a kid, and when I was a teacher, if this kid was my student, he would have driven me crazy, but I got to link him below because he's a genius. But check this out. So how could this help musicians, particularly bass players, or any musician that wants to get better with their time? I want you to think about it like this. How many eighth notes are in one measure of music in 4/4 time? They're 8. And so instead of counting them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we would count them 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's measure 1. Now I'm doing this without a bass guitar in my hand because musical time is going to be musical time regardless of the instrument that I play. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and you see what I'm saying? You see where this is going, right? So measure 1 would be all of the eighth notes, and then we just remove eighth notes, right? So I'm going to I want to put this on the screen, and I am going to cheat just a little bit, but I'm going to put it up on the screen. So if we do the whole thing forward, it'd be like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 4 and right? I counted it. I said it. I didn't say 4. Anyway, what this really is so I read it just now, to be honest with you. I read it, but it's more of a like a memory type thing, right? And so then when you reverse, when you repeat it, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 measures of music that we turn into 16 measures, and then when we get to measure 9, we're essentially going backwards, right? We're adding those eighth notes that we took away. So it becomes a memory exercise. Let me see if I can do it without reading it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 4 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I think I did it right. So it's a concentration thing. Let's see some ways that we could possibly use an idea like that on the bass guitar or any other instrument. So the first thing, and really the main thing, I don't want the video to be too long, and on these kind of this thing that I wrote up here, I used the note A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 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 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4 and 2, 3, 4 and 2, Now, I didn't put the additional 8 bars because I just, in the interest of time, to just put this together. But imagine going backwards now, reading that backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and right. We're just playing around with eighth notes, right? So while it's kind of cute, and the guy that the kid is just insane. That's just showing it with one note. But try this out with, I don't know, any scale, major scales, pentatonic scales, minor scales, whatever. So while I have a hard time calling it a challenge. I know that's the nomenclature is the verbiage that we use in social media world these days. But I just thought it might be quick. I thought it might be cool to say something about it, because it's almost like that challenge they had a few years ago where everybody was going UGG, which was like, that drove me absolutely insane. I was like, how is this a challenge? All you have to do is like count or have some semblance of rhythm. But anyway, it's a challenge for some people. I don't want to, belittle that. So anyway, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Helps me out, helps the algorithm out, and I can't even talk, and I'm talking about challenges. My challenge is speaking. And leave a comment below so I can get that engagement up and the algorithm knows that you like this content, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see down below this video. All right, I'll catch you next one. Peace. 2 fingers.